Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Electronics Workshop. This video is quite different from my other videos. In this video, we will see how we can order PCB with SMT from PCBWAY. Along with that, we will also give honest review on the PCBA received from PCBWAY and their services. So, let us go in the video in detail. First of all, let us unbox the parcel that we recently received from PCBWAY. We can see our PCB are well protected inside the bubble wraps. Not only this, we can see that our PCB is wrapped inside a vacuum plastic cover for more protection, and that is great. About the PCB quality, it had a nice build quality as the boards were very sturdy, the text I designed were engraved in a clean fashion, and all edges of the boards were polished smoothly. The hole spacings for components were also uniform, making component assembly extremely easy. The tracks were also done perfectly on the front and back of the PCB with a clean finish as well. Overall, I really like PCBWAY's build quality and how they package your orders. Coming to most important factor that all the PCB clients will consider is price. PCB manufacturing can be quite expensive, and PCBWAY has managed to get the relationship between cost and quality down perfectly. $5 for 5 to 10 prototype sized for dual-layer PCBs is a very attractive price. You can also get $30 free shipping if you are using PCB assembly service of PCBWAY. Along with that, if you are new to PCBWAY, they are providing you a free prototype PCB. So, just go in the description of this video. Click on the order link and sign up with your new Gmail and utilize the free prototype service of PCBWAY. The another important thing that we consider while ordering our PCB is manufacturing time. PCBWAY has the capability to get your boards out of the factory extremely quickly, in some cases within 24 hours. If you are using PCBA service also, then the time may extend along with the availability of your components. Overall, the manufacturing process was quick compared to other manufacturer.
Now, let us see how we can order PCB with SMT from PCBWAY.com. First of all, go to your project folder and open your PCB file. Look if all the components are correctly placed or not. Then go to your file and look for fabrication output. In the fabrication output, you can find all the files like Gerber file, drill file, bomb file, and position file. Download all these files in your respective project folder. I have already downloaded all these files in my respective project folder. Now, we must check the content of each file manually and make the corresponding change as per the requirement of our PCB manufacturer. First of all, let us see the position file. Open your first folder. You can find two files there. One is bottom layer file and another is top layer file. In this project, we have placed our SMT component only in top layer. So, we can provide only top layer file to our PCB manufacturer, neglecting the bottom layer. If in your project, if you have placed your SMT component in both the layer, then you must provide both of these files to your PCB manufacturer. Now, let us open this file to see the content of our position file. It contains reference, value, package, X position, Y position, rotation, and side of all the SMT component used in our project. The format of position file differs from different manufacturer. In case of PCBWAY, you can directly provide this format without making any modification to it. After your PCB is fabricated, it's time to place SMT component on your PCB. For that, PCBWAY writes an official mail on your Gmail address to verify your polarity and orientation of the component used in your project. You must give special attention on the polarity of components like diodes and electrolyte capacitor. Not only that, you must pay attention on the orientation of ICs having equal number of pins on the both sides. Now we will see the content of our BOM file. BOM file means bill of material. For placing the SMT component on your PCB, we need the detail of all the components used in our project. So we can say that BOM file contains all the detail of the component used in our project. It contains reference, value, footprint, LCSC part number and the quantity. Here the most important thing is LCSC part number, as LCSC is our component supplier and has unique part number for all the components. Suppose if you want to use 10 microfarad capacitor, then you go to lcsc.com and search for 10 microfarad capacitor. After that, you will get this interface. You must include LCSC part number in your BOM file along with the quantity. Now, let us see how can you upload all of this downloaded file in PCBWAY's website for ordering our PCB with SMT. You can directly go to PCBWAY.com to order a PCB, but if you are looking for some discount in your PCB project or if you are looking for free PCB prototype, go to the order link in the description of this video. By clicking this order link, you can get free prototype PCB. After you click on this order link, you will get this interface. First of all, you need to sign up in PCBWAY website with a Gmail address. I have already logged in PCBWAY website with my Gmail address. If you are a new customer to PCBWAY, they will give up with different offers like free prototype PCB and so on. If you are looking for PCB service only, you can go to PCB Instant Quad. But in this case, we are looking for PCB along with the assembly service, so we must go to PCB assembly. In this quantity part, you need to enter the number of PCB that you are going to order. It is 5 in my case. For knowing the number of unique parts, you need to open your BOM file. So, in my case, there are total of 10 unique parts used in this project. And finally, we need to specify the number of SMT part and through-hole part in the project. This information is also found in our BOM file. Once we saw the BOM file, we found that there are 9 SMT part and 1 through-hole part in my project. After entering all this, go to quote and order. You will get this interface. Here we must specify in which layer we are going to place our SMT component. In our case, it is our top side. You need to fill all these as per the components used in your project. It is done just to provide a random quotation to you. Now, below here, you need to provide your PCB specification. For knowing the length and breadth of your PCB, open your PCB file and measure the length and breadth with the measuring tool and insert the data correctly over here. The size of the PCB is 30 by 40 in our case and all the dimensions are in mm. The number of PCB that we are going to order is 5. Leave all this as it is as its normal setting and go for the quotation. You can get a normal quotation in the site. This is not the final quotation. The final quotation will be sent in mail by a technical team after all the calculation, and you can save it to your card. You must upload all your file over here that we have already saved in our respective project folder. First is your Gerber file, then your bill of material file, and finally position file. If you have any extra requirement in your project, you must specify them in this other section. Once you upload all this file, now you can go to order now. Once you upload all your file, you will get this interface. Here, you can find the detail of all your PCB and SMT file. Now, once you make a payment, your PCB will go to production. So, in this way, you can place your PCB with SMT order in one of the finest PCB manufacturer, PCBWAY.com. Thank you for watching the video.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who